Hi, I'm John Murphy, and I am a performance instructor for Fuel. And in this clip, I'm going to talk about the ugly baby syndrome. So, I teach Kaizen events, rapid change events all over the world where we go in and I train a team to get facts and data, go through some root cause analysis, and within 1 week make very significant change. And as part of this process, to align with the senior executives, we bring them in for short report outs each day to say, here's the current state, here are the root causes to the problems we have, etc., as we go through. And by the end of the week, we have alignment on the actual changes that we have made. So if we haven't made them, it's not a Kaizen event, it's a meeting. So when we run Kaizen events, we make change. But one of the things I teach the team members is what I call the ugly baby syndrome. And what that translates into is even though we have facts and data and logic that says this process is really ugly, the last thing we want to do is tell the executives this process is ugly. Keep in mind, it's somebody's baby. So now, despite the logic, despite the facts, we have an emotional problem. We've just turned a logical problem into an emotional problem. And you know what can happen with that. So instead of calling somebody's baby ugly, no matter how ugly it might look, it's better to present facts and data and let them speak for themselves. So I teach the team members to imagine reporting live from Palm Beach, Florida, or wherever we happen to be. Here are the facts. This is how long it takes us to do something. It takes us 10 days to do something we should do in 10 minutes. We have 15 steps when we should have 3. Those kinds of facts. And the conclusion then is that clearly we can do better than this, so let's fix it without that emotional resistance of calling somebody's baby ugly. So think about that when you're presenting anything to anybody. Are you presenting with opinion, which comes off like criticism and judgment, or are you simply sharing information and details and facts that speak for themselves? Careful distinction, but a very powerful approach to influencing change. Think about it.